Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be installing and reviewing this unit here. I want to say thank you to Sam's Beauty for providing today's unit. If you guys are interested in seeing me install, as I poke my face, seeing me install the Outre Lilyana melted hairline unit, then continue to watch, and then I'll also let you guys know my thoughts on it at the end of the video. So let's go. Also, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, follow me on my socials right here below, all that good stuff. And now let's go.
Maybe I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. Yeah, I could say that you didn't need any part of me. Yeah, maybe it's not me, you should be the one on your knees. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my
Alright guys, so here is the finished look of today's wig review. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. First thing I'm gonna jump into is this color. Okay, let me start out by saying the color is beautiful. The blend, you know, from the darker roots to the blonde with the little extra highlight right here in the front. You know, the blend is really pretty. Okay, they did that as far as making everything flow well together. Me personally, and if you watch my channel enough, if you watch my videos enough, you're gonna know that blondes, I'll still try her every now and then because I feel like there is a blonde unit out there for me. I just ain't found her yet. This color is like, she makes me feel like I'm gonna catch all eyes, like everyone's gonna be checking out my hair, and I don't want all eyes on me. I don't like that. But blonde is just not my thing, but I still think the color is really pretty. So let's also jump into a rating. How am I going to rate this unit based off like just the quality in general, not even paying attention to the color? I am going to give her a solid 8 out of 10. When I first put the unit on, we had some high bumps here, some really high bumps that I was not a fan of, and you could also see them on the stock card as well, that it had like higher bumps right here. So of course I went in with my hot comb and I flattened those pieces out to make it just lay flat to the head, and I'm telling you, it looks so much better. It just makes the biggest difference, and it definitely makes this unit feel a lot more wearable, is what I would say. It makes me feel okay with wearing it. It's super blonde though, so I probably won't wear it. Let's jump into the melted hairline details of the unit. It melts into the skin. It did a pretty decent job at that. I love the lace. The lace is like really thin. I feel like if I was to give it a melt job of like using like some really good spray or gel or glue, it would definitely like really melt into my skin more. But I kind of just did like a little half job to it because I know I plan on taking this off. I didn't really glue down the sides sides as much. They're a little stuck, but not like all the way. I do feel like if you want to wear this hair pulled back and expose your hairline more, you probably are going to want to pluck this a little more. It's not as plucked as I would like, my preference. I feel like if I was to really glue this down and like choose to expose my edges, she's still pretty full there. As far as hair texture, it's nice. Personally, I feel like it's a bit shiny. I think they could have dulled this hair down just a little bit so it's not as shiny. I also feel like if you wear this unit for a long time, she is going to tangle quite a bit, just due to the fact of how long it is. It's already shedding, to be honest. It's not like a lot of shedding, but she is shedding. I feel like I probably would have loved this unit a lot more if I got it in a natural color, but I want to step out of the box a little bit. I'm not disappointed in the color whatsoever. I just, because I still think it's really cute, I think it's pretty, I just don't like blonde that much on me. So yeah, the wig is definitely big head friendly, you guys. It has a lot of space in it. I feel like it's really secure on my head with this bit of adhesive I have up here. I feel like if you have a bigger head, it definitely stretches a lot more and you'll still be able to wear it comfortable. Also, they give you a lot of lace here, okay? If you saw that earlier, I had a lot of lace up here and I was like, darn, it was like covering my eyes. But I think the lace needs to be darkened up a little bit. The unit is probably about 22-24 inches long. She's pretty long in length, so you guys can see how long it is. This is how long she is. It's safe to use some heat on. It has HD transparent lace. It says that it's a comfortable fit. As far as ear control, agreed. I feel like it fell perfectly with my ear placement. And then the frontal effect hairline, yes, it does come with the frontal effect hairline, but like I said, you'll probably need to pluck it some. But yeah, I think the unit is cute. I wish I could have tried this color. That's the color I would love to try next. But yeah, you guys, that's all I have to say about Outre Lilyana. If you guys are interested in the unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a link directly there for you. Thank you again to Sam's Beauty for sending this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.